The independent assessment process resolves claims for abuse suffered at Indian residential schools operated by the federal government and various churches. To be eligible for compensation, a former student must have suffered sexual abuse, serious physical abuse, or other wrongful acts that have resulted in psychological consequences. Compensation for victims of sexual abuse will vary depending on the type of abuse suffered. After we speak one-on-one and confidentially, I will be able to explain to you whether the type of abuse that you suffered will result in compensation. Serious physical abuse that resulted in hospitalization or ought to have resulted in hospitalization qualifies for compensation. You will be required to explain how the physical abuse happened. Psychological abuse that results from other wrongful acts also qualifies for compensation, but is more difficult to prove. These acts must have occurred outside of the usual practices of the school in question and have exceeded recognized caregiving and parenting standards of the time. Each survivor has his or her own story to tell. Call our toll-free number today for a free consultation.